Let's talk about Kraton 6S headlights. At the moment we don't have a body here with the lights installed, but I'm gonna show you this prototype body. We use this body for testing. There are two ways you can install the headlights. One of them would be just to remove the paint, as we did with this one. As you can see here, we removed the paint from this side. You can use RC nitrophyll. It works great and it won't damage the plastics. So you can do it this way, and then you just put the headlights here and you hot glue it. That's not the way we like doing these things. We like to do it the other way. I'm gonna show you in a Kraton 8S body. It is actually the same process. It's the same process. As you can see here, this is a Kraton 8S body. We have the headlights here and here. We have actually a great video about this process, so you can go to our YouTube channel and you can find it there. It's the same process for the Kraton 6S. So in this way it's gonna look great, it's gonna look awesome, because we also provide the lenses, so you don't have to remove the paint and use the Lexan as lenses. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the headlights for the Kraton 6S. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is also compatible with the Kraton 6S EXB.